This is a beautiful place. The grass is green. The sky is blue. Here is a little child. The child is walking on the path, step by step, feeling happy. Oh, look! There is a river ahead. The river is wide. The path stops here. The child looks at the river. He wants to cross the river, but the river is in the way. The child feels a little sad. We need to help him. So, kids, let us make a sailboat. Now, we add the big sail on the boat. The big sail helps the boat move. Now we add a small flag on the top. The flag waves happily. Look, the sailboat is ready for the child. Let's go. Oh, something is coming on the water. Wow, it is a sailboat. The sailboat looks friendly. The sailboat comes close. The child gets into the boat. The child smiles. The sailboat starts to move. The water makes small waves. This is fun. The sailboat reaches the other side. The path is open again. The child steps out of the boat. The child feels happy. Thank you, sailboat.